Friends, I have brought a channel for you. In this channel, I welcome you all. The name of this channel is Basic English Conversation. In this channel, a short and simple package has been prepared to bring the learners in direct touch with spoken English. Friends, I would like to tell you that English language depends upon practice. If you talk a lot, you can gain fluency. If you stop talking, your fluency will diminish. So, for practice, you need the support of your friends and family members. In this package, I have brought certain expressions that are used in day to day life. The moment you watch this video, from that time onwards, you should start using these expressions. Then it will become very easy for you to pick up English language. The rest depend upon your practice. I hope you will like it. Friends, if you like my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.